my God.
Got an SR running.
Alright, YouTube, welcome to another vlog, another moto vlog. We got me, Steven, fucking Keegan's joining us on his 600, Toby, Alex, and Samson again. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. I don't know what the fuck we're doing or what's gonna happen, but we're gonna have fun. YouTube, another night ride. We got Steven and the Harley. We're out here. Alex on the little pow pow. Toby's back on the fucking ruckus. What the fuck? Whose hat? Ah! Toby, what the fuck you doing? Toby went to go get his hat, bro. This shit fell off. I don't know why he's wearing a hat.
What?
Where y'all at? Where are we going? Where are we going? Dumbass! Hey, you're leading. Go. I don't know, turning where Toby's turning. I don't know what they doing. They just doing shit. Just along for the ride. Oh, bumpy. I got Steven's lead. Fuck it. Ah! I'm out. Toby looks so fucking big on that little ass fucking bike. why are you stopping? Hello? Hello? Toby's doing like 40 right now. You're not? It is a car. Alright, we're going right. Slow down and wait for these guys. What are y'all doing? This is great. We're just mobbing out. Oh shit! Oh my god! Again? Samson got it! Fucking dumbass. On 10 legs in there. Nope, and then I nailed in my truck. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck are you doing? Oh God. Keegan, don't crash into the back of one of them. That's gonna be bad. Oh, airplanes. I like to fly. Well, fuck it. I fucking went into fucking neutral. I went to shift to third and I didn't hit hard enough. I turned around, bro. Hell yeah. He was dying, bro. Hey, Steven, we might want to hop on Veterans to the right or some shit. Because they got hella construction straight ahead. A good one. Toby, don't touch the butt. I think Austin's at the mall again. We might be going to terrorize the guy. How you doing? It's hot in the middle of these motherfuckers. God damn, my legs are hot. Wait. It's not working? You can't hear us? Hey, pull it. Well, wait. Keegan went down. Hold on, I'm coming.
Get your kickstand on the ground.
Walk it up on this.
Let this keep going. What the fuck happened?
Well, hey, make sure it'll ride. Hey, get out of the way for the cars. Souvenir. Are you good everywhere? Nothing's broken, popping out?
I'm definitely gonna have some fucking road rash. That's my mirror though. Oh.
I got it! Steven gave it to me.
Here, wait, I need to get the fuck out of this phone call.
Hey, we can take it over there so you can look at it better into the mall parking lot.
Let's go to the mall.
We'll go to the mall park, or you want to go right? You want to go over there or there?
Go left.
Go left?
Go in there, or sorry, right.
Go right, okay.
Go right into that.
Stick this in your hoodie pocket.
My call ended.
Okay, we'll fix it when we get there.
It gotta be in neutral. Are we going to the mall? No, go right.
Go right. We're good. Me and Samson are coming. that's gonna make a hell of a YouTube video. I got it on video. No, he wasn't even doing anything. He was riding it, just went whoop. Yeah, Keegan, we'll go down I-8 to Vernon. We'll just take Vernon all the way back. Oh, that's your mirror. Oh, it stabbed the shit out of me getting on my bike. Ow.
You want me to hold it?
Nah, it's okay. I got it. I can be fine. I don't have to lean too far. What? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay. Alright. It said group connection lost for some reason. I don't know. Steven, are you ready? I don't know. No, this way's faster. It is, I promise. You think it's not? Trust me, I take this way every day to work. What? Oh. We'll just follow this and then we'll take a left on Vernon. Hey, at least it's still rideable, bro. Yeah, I think. I mean, there's only one way to know is like actually get it and look at it like straight down and see. Yeah, that's gonna hurt for a minute. I don't want to put my feet down. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Thank you. Slow down. You slow down. I am gonna slow down though in case that cop's over here at the school. He do be liking to sit right there. Huh? Yeah, that's a whole nother fucking problem. That's because you survived. You always feel better after a near-death experience. I guess the juice is flowing. Yeah, it does fucking suck ass. But hey, if you're riding next to it, you can't tell. Yeah. I mean, yeah, but like, let's be honest, how many sport bikes actually keep their fucking mirrors? I was like, what is he doing? Oh, look. Goddamn cop right there. I smell bacon. Swear to God. Goddamn neutral again, Steven. I did that shit earlier today too. Made me mad as a motherfucker. God damn, Steven. Waking up the whole neighborhood. Brother! This was Keegan's plan all along. Crash the bike, get the little mini bikes to go get this shit so he could ride fast. Well, guys, as you can see in the video, Keegan is fine. The bike is rideable. I have his mirror in my stomach right now. Yeah, it is all part of riding. He says it's all part of riding. It's just what it is. It's the nature of the beast. Every time you throw your leg over, you just sign up to something bad can happen. Completely out of your control. But it's so much fun. Hell yeah. It is fun as shit, though. Tell you what, I wouldn't trade it, and I wouldn't do it with anybody else but the boys. I know. I swear to God. I'm listening to fireflies right now in my ear. This is great. Is there anything you would like to say?
I'm taking the fucking day off tomorrow.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, Keegan got a little boo-boo.
Wow, the other one's already covered up.
Yeah, the other one's already covered. We got Doc Sampson. Dr. Sam. But, yeah, so he made it back. Bike made it back. It lost one of its ears. Steven got Slim Jims. Pick it up, dude. What are you doing? I'm in a wheelchair. Yeah, I guess we should end the video at this point.
Yeah, the night ride's pretty much done at this point.
Yeah. The ride's pretty much over at this point. Any final words from anyone?
Just wait till I do this.
Watch out for gravel.
Yeah. Stay away from road construction. They don't clean their shit up.
Not that bad this time. I think it's got most of it now. I mean, it's a little stingy, but
Not as bad as the first.
no, definitely not nearly as bad as the first.
Samson, you should have warned me. I wish I'd have got that on video.
Like it's growing a little bit, but fuck that first time. Holy.
Yeah, you guys missed it. I was slacking on camera. He was screaming. That shit was. He said, "Oh boy, oh boy." Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Stay up. Don't fall down. It hurts. And always try to have comms in the group, in the riding group. At least 1 or 2 people. If not, one in the back, one in the front, or something. Because that helps. That way everybody knows if somebody goes down, we can go help, pick bike up, whatever. Other than that, yeah, thanks for all the support. Hope you guys are liking the riding videos. Don't worry, car videos are coming soon too. Steven, say bye.
Bye.
Keegan, we riding tomorrow?
Potentially.
Alright, anyway, see y'all later.